कर भी नजदीक रखने वाला, सपनों को हकीकत में बदलने वाला, वो है इंडिया, लेकिन फॉरेन वाला।
Welcome to the very first episode of Foreign Wala India. We are both so excited to bring to you Australia's community based web series, in which we'll show you how people like you and people like us can stay connected to the Indian community in Australia. तू क्या चश्मे पहने सर हिलाए जा रहा है एकदम बॉडीगार्ड की तरह? कुछ तो बोल यार.
आपने कुछ छोड़ा है बोलने के लिए?
Whatever.
Keep watching, guys.
आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक
ग्रैंड
है,
मास्टर गोगो आया हूँ तो कुछ तो लेके जाऊँ।
पता नहीं कहाँ से आवाजें आ रही है. Anyway, coming back to track, आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो है
बसंती, इन कुत्तों के सामने मत
अरे
नाचना।
कम ऑन यार. Anyway, अब तक आपको तो आइडिया आ गया होगा कि हम बॉलीवुड के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. जी हाँ, बॉलीवुड टुडेज टॉपिक. बट प्लीज डोंट स्टार्ट डांसिंग. I hate the fact when every time you hear the word Bollywood, people start dancing. यार Bollywood is so much more than that यार. No doubt, singing and dancing is a very integral part of Bollywood, but there's so much more to it. There's so much good art. So why not talk to people on the street and find out what they think of Bollywood? What say? Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Sakshi.
Sakshi, welcome to Foreign Wala India. Let me ask you a question. What's Bollywood for you?
Enjoying fun time.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Viva.
So Sally, what do you know about Bollywood?
Shah Rukh Khan.
One word answer. Shah Rukh Khan. That's awesome. How much do you like him?
Very much. He's one of the best actors in Bollywood, I think.
What do you know about Bollywood?
It's a Hollywood except in India.
That's good. That's a good answer. I'll accept that. What's Bollywood for you?
Bollywood is a blend of colors for me. Yeah, it's a kind of lifestyle.
How about some dancing?
Yeah, we know.
You can do some? Okay, come on, let's see them.
Bollywood is like for us, for Indians, Bollywood is everything. I mean,
Who's your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Amir Khan.
Amir Khan. And what's your favorite movie of Amir Khan?
Dil Chahta Hai.
Dil Chahta Hai. That's awesome. Name one movie of Shah Rukh Khan.
Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
Is that your favorite?
No, actually, I remember this because I saw his little poster in Switzerland, and it just brought back memories. So,
favorite movie, I'll tell Three Idiots.
Yeah, that's actually a very cool movie. I love that. Now let me ask you a tricky question. Who do you think makes more movies, Bollywood or Hollywood?
Bollywood.
कितनी?
More than 1,300.
यार पढ़ के आए हो आप कहीं से? That's true. It is actually more than 1,500. That's awesome.
Bollywood.
How many?
I have no idea.
Take a guess.
Million?
That's too much. Too much.
Bollywood.
For sure. Can you take a guess how many?
A lot.
Certainly Bollywood.
Take a guess. How many?
Maybe around 300.
So how many tickets do you think Bollywood sells every year?
Oh god. I don't know.
Let me give you a hint. It's in billions.
Seriously? Wow. 3 billion.
That's Hollywood. Bollywood's 4 billion. Ina Meena Dika movie mein. Who is Ina?
Kishore Kumar.
Kishore Kumar. No. Kishore Kumar ka song tha. He wasn't in the movie. Amir Khan. Come on. Amir Khan in Ina Meena Dika. That's a 1994 movie. Come on, I'll give you a little hint. David Dhawan made the movie. उसमें one of the character was Shakti Kapoor. Who's the other? Who's Ina?
Anil Kapoor.
शाहरुख खान डर मूवी में कितनी बार कहता है?
In a whole movie?
नहीं सिर्फ
Five
बोलने के
times.
पहले 5 times बोल के दिखाओ.
Kiran.
7 times, 6 or 7 times.
Have you heard that song नाचो सारे जी फाड़ के?
Yep.
What does G stand for? Have you heard the song नचो सारे जी फाड़ के?
Yes.
उसमें जी क्या होता है?
That I cannot tell here. What else about?
Hello everyone, my name is Nitin
And I'm Alpana.
and we are here at the Devang Patel's Dandiya. I'm so excited to be here. It's my first time. I don't know how it is, but let's see how it is. Alpana knows more about it. Let's talk to her about it.
Thanks Nitin. I'm so excited to be here today. अच्छा एक बात बता, नवरात्रि सुन के तेरे दिमाग में क्या आता है? Dandiya. Danda, come on man. Expected था तेरे से ये पंजू.
I know.
Navratri is a festival of goddess, which in India lasts for about 9 days. Being in foreign वाला India, हम इसे यहाँ weekend में मनाते हैं.
Yeah?
So I am really excited. You want to go around and talk to everybody?
For sure, man.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
What's your name?
Vikramjit Singh.
Vikramjit Singh. Know much about Garba?
A bit of, yes. With my friends, I used to go with Navratri at Garba, yes.
Ooh, that should be cool to see a Punjabi dancing on a Garba, man. That will be a cool thing. Can we see some moves of yours?
Oh, yes, of course, mate. But later on, come inside, we'll do it together.
Just wanna ask you, what do you feel about all this thing?
Oh, this is amazing. It feels like India, completely India, you know. It feels like you're in India, not in Australia. So, yes, that's what I'm saying. It's a multicultural country. We bring our culture to Australia, to USA, to Canada. Wherever we go, we take our culture with us.
So, how you're feeling like away from home? It's another home.
Yeah, it doesn't feel we are missing anything because it's actually like home. So the energy is same and we are enjoying because everything is similar like in India.
How you are feeling here?
Very desi.
Yeah, full of energy.
What was the question?
How are you feeling here?
Oh, I feel like I'm in India.
You feel like home away from home?
Yes, it is home away from home, but thanks to Melbourne for organizing such an event.
Hi, what's your name?
जय धीमर.
जय, कहाँ से हो आप?
मैं गुजरात से हूँ, नवसारी डिस्ट्रिक्ट बिल्लीमोरा से.
नवसारी, that's great. कैसा लग रहा है आज आपको यहाँ पे?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. देवान पटेल, even every time, always we are enjoy a lot.
Do you have any best move for this Garba?
Oh, yes, I do.
Would you mind to show me on the camera? Woo! She's gonna show us some on that.
एक डांस मूव हो जाए? मेरे को सिखा दो थोड़ा.
Thank you for your time, sir.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. हमारा तो ये पेशा है. हमारा शौक भी है कि लोगों को बस नचाए बिकॉज पीपल वेट फॉर आवर शो फॉर होल 1 ईयर. सो हम भी अपना पूरा जोश इकट्ठा करके आते हैं एंड वी आर थैंकफुल टू यू पीपल दैट यू पीपल सेटल डाउन इन अब्रॉड एंड बिकॉज ऑफ यू वी आर हियर. सो ऑलवेज लव यू. माता जी की कृपा है आप पे बनी रहें और आप खुशहाल रहें.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for your time. Please, sir, please. हमें इतना मज़ा आया. आप सबको हर साल ऐसे ही आते रहें और ऐसे इंजॉय कराते रहें. थैंक यू वेरी मच, सर.
पक्का करते रहें. मेरे गाने यूट्यूब पे देखते रहें. राम बोलो भी राम पे नचाए, उसका भी वीडियो देखिए. नरेंद्र मोदी साहब का आज बर्थडे है, उनका लिखा हुआ गाना भी हमने पेश किया कि गाय उसका गरबा जो थामे उसका गरबा, गरबा गुजरात की असली अमीरात है। उसका वीडियो भी देखिए और खुश रहिए।
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।
Thank you.
थैंक यू।
नितिन बड़ा ही उड़ रहा था थोड़ी देर पहले। चलिए आपको दिखा दे उसकी क्या हालत हुई है डांडिया खेलकर।
नहीं, I'm good.
Are you sure?
जस्ट थोड़ा बहुत यार, ये पता नहीं क्या तुम डंडों से खेलते हो, पता नहीं क्या।
बस वही और कहो, डंडे डंडे पड़ गए ना डंडे।
I know. But I had so much fun. It was so amazing. I can't even tell you. जितनी मर्जी मुझे शायद थोड़ी बहुत चोट लगी हो, you can see I'm a Mickey Mouse here now, but still it's so amazing.
चलो,
I
that's
had
good.
So much fun. We had so much fun.
We did.
Foreign वाला had so much fun. It was amazing.
तो देखते रहिए फॉरेन वाला इंडिया। लाइफ में बाय गॉड कुछ करो ना करो, मेहनत ज़रूर करनी चाहिए। आज के हमारे जो शख्स हैं उन्होंने मेहनत भी खूब करी और शोहरत भी खूब कमाई। He is a man who rides a Ferrari and is building a multi-million-dollar mansion in Tarneed. The councillor for the Wyndham City Council and the chairman of the Western Institute of Technology. Please welcome the man of the moment, Mr. Intaj Khan.
Thank you, Alpna, for your nice and kind words.
So tell us about the time when you moved into Australia. Why Australia?
One of my friends went to United States and one came to Australia. So I contacted both of them and I received quite positive response from the guy who migrated to the country in Australia as on a student visa. And so that's sort of a kind of a link I have with him. So I thought it was easy to go to Australia.
Okay. So how long have you been here?
Since 1998, so that makes me now 18 years.
Wow, that's a pretty long time. I'm sure it doesn't feel like.
No, it doesn't feel like. It seems like I've been here 5-6 years. That sort of seems it's like, but time flies so quick. So, yeah.
So, what was your first thought when you landed here?
I was pretty excited to see that Sydney is kind of beautiful city, and you look at the beaches, you look at the opera, you know, and you go for, with your friends out in shopping centres. Amazing compared to in 1998, what you've seen in New Delhi. So there was kind of a bit of a culture and kind of a bit of a shock, you know, you're in like a different planet, my gosh.
So look, the struggle to get a good life and not to forget good money is not easy. But only a few people like you make it to the top in that. So what is it that you're doing differently?
I think once when you landed in 1998, country was different, and there's a lot of job opportunities. You can walk through in North Sydney, and you see there's a lot of ads saying that staff want it. So that thing we haven't seen back home in 1998 in New Delhi. So that kind of remind you can work really hard and you can make way through. My first job was $327, and I still remember that, you know, how easy it was to save money and live on that $327 per week.
Absolutely. Now, did you actually go through any struggle in your life?
Well, when I started my job now, so I was doing a job in a bakery. So I used to start, and that's my hardest part of my life. I started 5 o'clock in the morning. I finished my shift 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And by the time, because I started 5 o'clock, so I have to wake up 4 o'clock to get to the shift at 5 o'clock, finish 2 o'clock, and then I have to go to university.
So now, Intaj, you're a Wyndham City Councillor, a Labour Party activist. You're associated with so many successful businesses. So you're pretty much everywhere. How do you manage that? How do you keep yourself grounded?
Look, I enjoy doing a business now. As like when we started business 2004, which is I was back then a telecommunication, a dealer for 3G mobile phone company, and we started with the 3 people. I turned the company in 2 months to 100 people, and then once your project gets successful, you just keep doing it.
Absolutely. So now, Intaj, you've got what you wanted. What's next?
I think doing a private business, everyone's is kind of a bit of a dream and part of my dream. So I have started working 2009, launching an IPO for educational IPO. Wow. And now I'm still working on it. So as you can see that now, so his company will call Western Education Limited. This is an IPO is going to be for the childcare and vocational education sector. So you'll see that in few months' time.
Now, Intaj Khan has what he wants. I think now it's time to give back to the community. So what else are you doing for the community? What are your plans?
running a project for homeless people, I think is a future will be a good project. Will make me involved with the community. Apart from that, I'm happy to work with the young entrepreneurs. I always enjoy giving advice and receiving their ideas, what they stand for. What I like to see in a country, a kind of a bit of it's called a business incubator. So you get young talented people coming for the 5-minute talks, they present the ideas, and you get a like-minded business people, and they can fund their ideas.
So Intaj, just the last and the final question for you. Can you share something from your life experience that gave you a lesson for life?
Thank you very much for asking this question. That reminds me, in 2004, my business called Oscom Security, and we were a telecommunications supplier for 3G mobile phone. I was having 150 staff. We were doing great numbers in terms of the connections for the company. We lost the contract, and then I have to start it again. And I never thought that can happen to me. But back then I was thinking, I think we're really successful when running a company. Now we sort of gone down. But the confidence was, if I can do once, I can do again. So I was looking for another sector, and then we sort of thought, I'm good at training, I'm good at marketing, I should enter in a different sector. And then we started in 2007 this company called Western Education Institute Limited. Yeah. So with the Western Institute of Technology, we started in 2007. We got approved from the government. We started with 20 people. Today we have a 2,000 plus student, and it's about 7 campuses across the country. We're in Melbourne, and we're in Sydney. In 2011, we received a number 14 fastest growing company in Australia on BRW. 2012, we received number 17. That sort of motivated me to keep going and moving forward.
What a great story. Thanks for sharing that, Intaj.
Thank you.
यार देख, मेरी ये वाली जो वीडियो है, ये भी है, इसमें भी अच्छी नहीं लग रही यार। ये सब डिलीट नहीं हो सकती क्या?
ये सारी डिलीट कर देंगे तो मेन वीडियो में क्या जाएगा?
Yeah, the camera's on.
Oh, hello guys. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe.
And the link to subscribe is just down under.
Down under.
Okay, smartass, down under.